First, we are going to see about COVID prevention app. In this app, we can able to learn about symptoms, prevention and treatment to stay safe from COVID. So if I'm clicking on the symptom button, I can able to hear a voice of a computer which it will say what are the symptoms of COVID.
Most common symptoms: fever, dry cough, tiredness. Less common symptoms: aches and pains, sore throat, diarrhea.
I can use the stop button to stop the voice, and these are all the
Wear
questions.
face cover, wash your hands, keep a safe distance.
This is the
Self-care:
treatment.
if you feel sick, you should rest, drink plenty of fluid, and eat nutritious food. Stay.
These are all the codings that we have used to make it work. So basically we have used one main component called as text to speech to speak the message whatever we are typing in the text box, and we are using certain buttons to display the user interface for the user to click it. If the user clicking it, we will play that particular voice.